Hi, and welcome back to Dynamic Learning. If you're new here, I'm Jane, and I'm the face of this channel. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how this channel is structured, how the content progresses, how to use this in a way that allows you to see real development and progress with your child. Because dynamic learning isn't random tips, it's a roadmap. Our channel focuses on ages of 2 to 5 years old. First, we look at ages 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, and then lastly, 4 to 5. We look at them sequentially. Why sequentially? Because development builds. What your child learns at the ages between 2 and 3 is the foundation that supports learning at 3 to 4 and then on to 4 to 5. So even if your child is, let's say, 4 years old, you might find some of our earlier content helpful. It could allow you to look at the foundations of your child's learning and see how you can best strengthen it, or maybe help fill in any gaps that you otherwise might have missed. Within each age band, we cover 4 main developmental pillars: linguistics, how children understand and use language; cognitive, how they think, learn, and solve problems; motor, how their bodies move and coordinate, with both big movements and fine hand control; and lastly, social emotional, how they relate, cope, connect, and manage feelings over time. These pillars will help you understand what kind of development we're focusing on. Within each pillar, we further break development down into milestones. What are milestones? Milestones are clear development abilities that emerge during a specific age range. So instead of vague advice like, help your child talk more, we focus on milestones such as what language abilities tend to appear next, what thinking skills are forming, what motor skills are strengthening, and what social emotional skills are maturing. Our point is clarity. What you're aiming for, and why it matters. Now, here's where dynamic learning becomes very practical. Milestones get broken down into little stepping stones. Stepping stones are smaller parts of the milestone. They are the smaller parts that allow you to see progress in real life stages. Because one milestone can still feel huge, but when you break it down, you can easily see what comes first, what builds next, and what it looks like when your child genuinely starts moving forward. And this matters because it turns uncertainty into a plan. Because when we understand stepping stones, we can then use them to create exercises that you can do at home. Not drills, not rigid routines, not sit your child down and make them perform, but actual exercises that you can use in your daily life. These can look like playtime, they can happen during meal times, bath time, story time, getting dressed, going for walks outside, car journeys, and these can even take part in everyday conversations. These exercises are designed to give you achievable wins, the kind where you can see your child trying something new, improving, and actually building their confidence. Because when you see progress, there are 2 things that happen. Your child becomes more confident because they can feel success, and you become more confident because you can see your support actually working. Because that's the kind of outcome that we really care about, the kind where you can see real development, not just theory. One of the biggest reasons why we built dynamic learning is because a lot of parents feel like they're mainly reacting to things. They're always trying to fix something without a clear understanding of what development really looks like. We want to change that. We want to give you structure that leaves you feeling calm, clear, and above all, confident. So instead of constantly wondering, you'll have a clear roadmap. Age band, pillar, milestone, stepping stone, exercise, and ultimately progress. So that's the progression for this channel. If you're a parent of a 2 to 5-year-old and you want a clear, research-backed way to help support your child's development, then you're in the right place. Subscribe to Dynamic Learning. And as always, in every video, We will include the sources behind what we share, so you can check it for yourself later. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.